The Panchayat Chikalin, they have requested to explain the draft ODP which was prepared by the authority. So we supposed to come on 22nd, but we could not come on that day. So we postponed to today, and all the villagers they have come. And I briefed about the draft ODP, salient features and all those things. And they were pointing out about land use earlier, which was already approved and adopted by the authority. They said there are many mistakes. See, this is a continuous process. I told them, you submit your objections and all. Planning is not a rigid, planning is dynamic. It's keep on going. So you submit, that will definitely consider. And they have many villagers, they have given some constructive suggestions in the ODP, which were not reflected, like heritage sites, and they requested for satellite markets in Chikali. I said, you give all those this thing, and we will definitely put up before the authority meeting, before the authority, and the authority will definitely consider all those things.
Sir, in the ODP plan 2030, there was some Kazan land which are marked as industrial and defense as residential area. What you want to tell about?
See, that Kazan land, what is pointing out, shown as industrial, is not in this new plan, which was there for many years. And the land which was showing the defense land and area, I came to know that there were houses for more than 40 years existing. So suddenly we can't put that thing in this thing, which was settlement for the earlier years. That we will check, cross-check that thing.
So when is the last date for?
As of now, 28th January is the last date. But now due to these elections and all this thing, our chairman said we'll give more time. That I'll discuss with the chairman and I'll let you know. 28th March. But we'll extend the time definitely. 15-20 days we'll extend.
आम्ही MPD एक लेटर केलोली आणि ते 22nd येवपा आसलेले. सो कांय कारणां लागून ते येवपा पावनाय. सो तेणी आमकां लेटर केली, तुम्ही 24th पंचायत सरपंच मेंबर्स तुम्ही येवन आमकां मेळ्ळाय म्हण, तुमचें कितें सजेशन आहा तें दियाय म्हण. सो आमी तांकां कितें सांगलें, आमी तांकां आनीक एक लेटर केली, आमी तुमकां रिक्वेस्ट करताय, तुम्ही हिंगा 22nd भरपूर लोक एकठांय जालोलो. सो लोकांचे डिमांड आहा, तुम्ही हिंगा येवन लोकांक एक्सप्लेन करचो म्हण ODP प्लॅन 2030. सो तेणी मागीर आमची लेटरीक परतून रिप्लाय केली, आमी आयज येताय म्हण ऑन 25th. आनी आयज ते येयले. हांव तांकां थँक्यू म्हणटा. आमचो मेंबर सेक्रेटरी येयलो अशोक कुमार आनी तेजे ऑफिशियल्स येवन, आनी खूब लोक आसलेलो. तेणी आपले कितें ODP प्लॅन आहा तो एक्सप्लेन केलो बरे भाशेन. लोकांनी आपले कितें ऑब्जेक्शन सजेशन आहा तेवूय बरे भाशेन तेंकडे डिस्कस केले. आनी तेणी रिक्वेस्ट केला 28th लास्ट डेट आसलेली. सो हांवें तांकां रिक्वेस्ट केला मेंबर सेक्रेटरीक, आमकां आनीक एक 20 दीस दी म्हण. सो कितें शॉर्ट टायम आमकां आमची ऑब्जेक्शन कितें आहा तें रेज करूं मेळपाना म्हण. सो तो एग्री जाला. तेणें आपल्याले उलोवन आमकां परतून सांगता म्हणला. आनी बरे भाशेन सगळें डिस्कशन जालें. तेणें मेंबर सेक्रेटरीनय सगळें आपलें एक्सप्लेन केलें. लोकांनी आपलें ऑब्जेक्शन सजेशन कितें आहा तेवूय डिस्कस केलें. आनी आतां तेणें आमकां सांगलां विदीन आनीक एक 20 days म्हणल्यार तुमचें कितें आहा तें तुमचें कितें ऑब्जेक्शन आहा तें दी. आनी कितें मिसींग पळय आहा जायते गोश्ट्यो थिंगा दाखोवनाय. कितें काजन आहा तें लोकांचो डिमांड आहा थिंगा इंडस्ट्रियल दाखयला, पॉंड्स आहाय ते दाखोवनाय. थोड्याचे अशें जायते कितें एरर्स आहाय ते करेक्शन करपाक तो सांगला, तुमचें कितें आहा तें हाडून दी, आपण तें घेवन बसता आनी कितें आहा तें आपण सारकी करून दिता.